14 genius airport hacks airlines don't want you to know. Ever get the feeling airlines are hiding secrets from us travelers? Well, buckle up, because today we're counting down 14 genius airport hacks airlines definitely don't want you to know. These tips will save you money, time, and maybe even some sanity on your next trip. We'll start at number 14 and work our way to the ultimate hack at number 1. And hey, before we take off, do your future self a favor. Smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more travel-savvy tips. If you're already part of our crew, give this video a like. Now, tray tables up, seat backs forward. Let's dive in with hack number 14. 14. Make free calls from airport phones. Kicking off our list at number 14. Imagine your phone battery just died and you desperately need to call home. Don't panic or hunt for a payphone. Head to any airport courtesy phone or an unattended counter phone. Here's the secret. Dial 9 first, and you can get an outside line to call anywhere, free of charge. This works on many phones behind the check-in counters and gates. It's like finding a secret hotline. Now, with modern cell phones and unlimited calling, you might not need this often, but in a pinch, say your phone's out of juice or you don't have a local SIM card, this hack can be a total lifesaver. Just remember to be polite and quick if you're borrowing the airport's phone line. Aunt Mildred will appreciate the call, and airlines won't exactly be advertising that you can use their own phones to avoid those roaming charges. 13. Free luggage carts. Yes, please. Coming in at number 13. Free luggage carts, if you know where to look. While many airports charge a few bucks to use a baggage cart, there's a sneaky way to avoid the fee. Head to the arrivals or pickup area outside the terminal. Travelers often abandon carts there. Snagging one costs you nothing and saves a little cash. It's like finding treasure without the map. Some airports even offer a small refund, like 25 cents at smart cart kiosks for returning a cart. Not life-changing money, but a small win. And hey, that quarter could buy you a gumball or a sense of victory. Airports certainly won't advertise this hack. They'd rather you swipe your card at the cart machine. But now you know, skip the fees, scout outside, and enjoy your terminal-style scavenger hunt. It's a clever way to outsmart the system. Just don't forget your bags while you're out there being thrifty. 12. Bypass lazy Wi-Fi passwords. At number 12, sneak onto airport lounge Wi-Fi like a pro. Ever spot a locked Wi-Fi network near a lounge? Try guessing the password. It's often surprisingly simple. Rumor has it Delta lounges use "thank you." Get it? And many use obvious choices like "welcome 123" or the airline's name. Even if you're not inside, sitting close can catch that fast signal. While not guaranteed, passwords change regularly. You can always try common ones or politely ask a staff member. Worst case, they say no. Best case, you're streaming cat videos while the rest of the terminal suffers through painfully slow public Wi-Fi. Just keep it low-key. Don't announce you've cracked the lounge code. Airlines don't advertise this trick, but savvy travelers know better. Whether you get lucky or not, it's worth a shot. And if you do get in, maybe toss out a quiet thank you, both for the connection and for the cleverness of this underrated airport hack. 11. Chocolate bribery for better service. Hack number 11 is as sweet as it is smart. Bring chocolates for the flight crew. A small box of treats and a kind "these are for you" can go a long way. While not a bribe, this thoughtful gesture is a known insider tip. Flight attendants truly appreciate it. In private aviation, it's standard practice, and even in economy, this can score you bonus perks like extra snacks, free drinks, or better service. One traveler even got an entire row to themselves after gifting chocolates. At the very least, it builds goodwill with the crew, always a plus on long flights. Keep it simple and allergy safe. Avoid nut-filled chocolates. And remember, this isn't a guarantee, just a kindness that can pay off. Airlines won't promote this trick, but trust us, a happy crew can make your flight miles better. And really, who doesn't love chocolate at 30,000 feet? 10. Bring your own snacks. BYO snacks. Avoid the dreaded airport snack tax by packing your own food. Airport vendors often charge 2 to 3 times more than regular stores. Think $5 water bottles or $15 sandwiches. Even though some airports claim price limits, many items exceed them. For example, a $1.69 bottle of water might cost $3.50 at JFK, and we still buy them. Hudson News says bottled water is their top seller. One study found travelers spend around $7 per hour while waiting at terminals. The fix? Bring your own snacks. Pack sandwiches, nuts, fruit. Whatever travels well. Just skip strong-smelling food unless you want angry seatmates. Homemade food is cheaper, usually healthier, and way tastier than overpriced airport options. Just remember, TSA allows solid foods, but liquids or spreads over 3.4 ounces will be tossed. This simple hack is completely legal, even if airport shops hope you forget. Save money, eat better, snack smart, travel smarter. 9. Freeze your liquids to beat TSA. Hack number 9 is a refreshing loophole. Freeze your drinks to beat the TSA liquid rule. You can't bring liquids over 3.4 ounces through security. But if your water, juice, or smoothie is frozen solid, it's allowed. TSA agents consider frozen items non-liquid. So as long as there are no slushy parts, you're good to go. Once you clear security, your icy drink will slowly melt into a refreshing beverage. Perfect for long, hot travel days. It also doubles as a mini ice pack, keeping snacks cool in your bag. Just be careful. If it's partially melted, TSA might toss it. Wrap the bottle in a Ziploc to catch any condensation. Airports won't advertise this trick. After all, they want you buying pricey drinks inside. But this hack is totally legal and budget-friendly. So next time, freeze your favorite drink, breeze through security, and enjoy staying cool without paying $4 for bottled water. 8. Pack a dense bag to fool X-rays. Hack number 8 is one for the sneaky packers, but let's be clear. This is informational, not a recommendation. The idea? Overpack your carry-on with dense items like books, electronics, and shoes. A tightly packed bag can create a messy X-ray image, potentially making it harder for TSA to spot certain items, like that full-sized bottle you weren't supposed to bring. Some travelers claim success smuggling oversized liquids this way, but it's risky. TSA agents are trained to flag unusual bags, and scanners are improving. Many now use 3D imaging, which is harder to fool. If they spot something odd, your bag will be manually checked, and anything banned will be confiscated. Plus, you might face penalties. So, while this hack sounds like spy-level strategy, proceed at your own risk, or not at all. The smarter move: know the rules, pack smart, and maybe save the wine for after you land. More real hacks coming up. Stay tuned. 7. Bring your own booze, kind of. Hack number 7 is for the budget-conscious booze lover. BYO mini liquor bottles. TSA allows 50 milliliter bottles under the 3.4 ounce rule, so you can legally pack them in your carry-on. Sounds like your own cheap mid-flight bar, right? Not so fast. You can't legally drink them on board unless served by a flight attendant. Yep, federal law prohibits passengers from consuming alcohol not provided by the airline. That said, some travelers discreetly mix drinks, adding mini rum to ginger ale, for example. If you try this, be subtle, don't flaunt it, and definitely don't get loud or intoxicated. You can always politely ask a flight attendant to pour it. They may or may not agree. Airlines dislike this trick since they profit off pricey drinks, and they helped push for the no BYO rule. So yes, you can pack the booze, but sip smart and save the party for after landing. No one wants to be row 30 tequila guy. 6. The gift shop bag trick. Avoid extra fees. Hack number 6 is sneaky but smart. Use an airport shopping bag to dodge overweight or extra bag fees. If your suitcase is too heavy or you have an extra carry-on, grab a large shopping bag from an airport store. Just ask politely. Shift some of your stuff into it and stroll to your gate like you've just splurged on duty-free. Why does it work? Airline staff usually don't count store bags against your carry-on limit. They assume it's a recent purchase. Many travelers swear by this trick to avoid the dreaded baggage fees, which brought in over $7 billion for US airlines last year alone. Pro tip: pack a foldable tote or buy a cheap duffel if needed. It's often cheaper to check a second bag than pay the overweight fee. Airlines won't tell you this hack, but it works. Play it cool, and you just might beat them at their own fee game. 5. Pack and declare an unloaded firearm. Hack number 5 is wild but real. Packing an unloaded firearm in your checked bag can get it VIP treatment. In the US, if you legally declare a firearm, TSA gives your luggage extra care, more tracking, gentler handling, and quicker arrival at baggage claim. Airport staff reportedly don't want to lose a bag with a gun inside, but this isn't for casual travelers. You must follow strict rules. The firearm must be unloaded in a locked hard case and declared at check-in. You'll fill out forms, and local laws at both ends of your trip must allow it. Missteps, especially in strict states like New York, can lead to arrest. So while it's technically true this can reduce the chance of lost luggage, it's a high-risk, advanced move for law-abiding gun owners only. For most people, it's best treated as a "did you know?" fact, not a practical travel hack. Use with extreme caution. 4. Book impossible connections to get a better flight. Hack number 4 is a clever gamble. Book an intentionally short layover. Why? If you miss the connection due to airline delays, they're responsible for rebooking you, often on a better or more direct flight that would have cost more upfront. For example, a 2-leg ticket with a 30-minute layover might be cheaper. If you miss leg 2, head to the desk and politely request a rebooking. Sometimes you'll score a non-stop flight or premium route for free, but this hack has risks. If flights are full, you might be stuck waiting hours. Some airlines could also push back, though legally tight connections are their responsibility. Use sparingly. Overdoing it could raise flags, much like hidden city ticketing, which airlines despise. It's a strategic move, not a guarantee. Act like you genuinely tried to make the connection and have a backup plan ready. Pull it off right and you just outplayed the system. 3. Don't stand in line. Call the airline. Hack number 3 can save your sanity. Call the airline instead of waiting in line during delays or cancellations. When chaos hits, passengers rush to the counter, but long lines move painfully slow, with one agent helping one person at a time. Instead, grab your phone and call customer service on the spot. Phone agents have the same rebooking power as gate staff, sometimes more, and you'll often get help faster. Better yet, do both. Call while standing in line. Whichever gets through first wins. You can also try Twitter, DMs, or in-app chats, which may be quicker depending on the airline. Just make sure you have their number saved or use tools like Skype if abroad to avoid charges. This tip is totally legal, global, and smart. Airlines won't promote it. They don't want jammed phone lines, but it works. Skip the wait, rebook fast, and enjoy your airport beer while everyone else sweats in line. 2. Roll back the clock for free Wi-Fi. Hack number 2 is a clever tech trick. Extend your free airport Wi-Fi by rolling back your device's clock. Many airports offer limited time internet, 30 to 60 minutes, before asking you to pay. When time's almost up, go into your settings and set the clock back by that amount. The system thinks you're still within the free window, giving you bonus browsing time. This trick doesn't work on every network. Some track usage differently, but it works surprisingly often. Just turn off automatic time updates, or your device might reset the clock and ruin the hack. And don't forget to correct the time afterward, unless you want to show up early for everything. It's harmless, sneaky, and totally family-friendly. Airports won't advertise it. After all, they'd rather sell pricey Wi-Fi passes. But in places where unlimited Wi-Fi isn't standard, this hack keeps you connected. So, go ahead, binge that extra episode or finish your downloads for free. 1. Swipe any card for free in-flight movies. Here we are. Number 1. The top genius airport, or rather, airplane. Hack Airlines don't want you to know. Use any card with a magnetic stripe to get free movies on a plane. Sounds unbelievable, right? But many travelers swear this works on aircraft that charge for in-flight entertainment. On some older in-flight systems, when you swipe a credit card to pay for a movie or TV show, the charge isn't processed immediately. It's stored offline until the plane lands. If there's no Wi-Fi on the plane to verify the card, it will just assume it's legit and play the movie. That means you could swipe a library card, a used gift card, your supermarket loyalty card, basically any card with a mag stripe, and unlock the entertainment. The system thinks you've provided payment, but it can't check until later. By the time the airline realizes that Red Lobster gift card isn't a real credit card, you're already at baggage claim enjoying the memory of a free movie marathon. This hack has been floating around online for years, and people have reported success on various carriers, especially on flights without live credit card processing. Why airlines hate this? Obviously, they'd prefer you pay $5 to $10 per movie or swipe a real card. In-flight entertainment revenue isn't huge these days. Many airlines now give free movies, but where they do charge, they count on tech ignorance. Important, this won't work if the plane has Wi-Fi and processes payments in real time. Many modern jets do have internet up there, but if you notice you're on a flight with no connectivity, or the card reader says, transaction will be processed after landing, you're in the hack zone. As a humorous example, people joke they watched Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs 2 on repeat, using a random gift card as payment. Your mileage may vary, and consider the ethics. Technically, you are getting a service without paying, so it's a bit of a gray area. Airlines definitely aren't going to announce, "Psst, you can use any card, we won't know till later." Use this trick discreetly and enjoy that free blockbuster or two on your next long flight. It's like outsmarting the airline's paywall and ending our list on a high note. Genius level unlocked. And there you have it, 14 genius airport and flight hacks that can transform your travel experience from stressful to successful and maybe save you a pretty penny. From scoring free movies and Wi-Fi to dodging baggage fees and staying one step ahead of the airlines, these tips are your ticket to feeling like a travel VIP. Airlines might not be thrilled that you know these, but hey, all's fair in love and air travel. If you found these hacks helpful or just entertaining, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more insider secrets and travel tips. We've got plenty more up our sleeve to make your life easier. Join our community of savvy travelers so you never miss out on winning the airfare game. And drop a comment below. Which hack was your favorite? And do you have any clever travel tricks of your own? Share the knowledge. Thank you so much for watching and sticking with us till the end. Wishing you smooth flights, cheap bites, and happy nights on all your journeys. Until next time, travel smart and take care.